Crude stayed bullish again and it has achieved its first resistance at 90.6. We discussed in our Asian Europe session analysis that 90.6, I have told this yesterday also, 90.6, 91 levels are great resistance for today, and it was the same resistance yesterday. In fact, only and only if oil stays above 91, you can treat this as bullish. Right now it is taking a resistance at the same levels. At the same time, net gas is also trying to trade with a slight rise. It has failed to break beyond 2.83, that is the critical resistance zone. So now what to expect today from oil and gas? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. The first update was released with the US session, with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, those who have watched that definitely would have profited, and hence pressing the bell icon helps you get the notification. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the end. And yes, friends, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, comment, share is a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my ability. Now see, on the hourly charts you can find out, see, lower highs here. You can also note lower lows here, and you can also find lower highs. So oil is still trying to stay bullish. I will wait bearish. I will wait for it to break past 91, 91.2 zone. Beyond this, certainly it is going to look forward to 92 plus levels. If you look at closely, see, after the drop, after the reversal sign here, it is retraced and trying to stay bullish. You can find out it is trying to stay in this retracement channel, and hence the sell entry is only below 89.8 and 89.4 levels. Below 89.4 we can see sharp bearishness there. Right now it is has retraced and it is still staying bullish. You can see rise retracement, rise, possible retracement towards $90 levels. 89.8 cannot be denied. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD divergent, MACD bullish. RSI is also comfortable there. It is very near to the top there. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2 hour chart. See, higher lows here. Moving averages crossing over here. It is also giving higher highs. Yes, wait for it to break past 91, 91.2 zone, then certainly the bullish momentum will continue after that. At the same time, on the downside, it has to stay below 89.8 and then 89.4 levels in order to confirm the reversal there. Stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat and trading very near to the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour. Now if you look at 3 hour chart, the base was created here. If you look at the preceding 2 candles, it is also yielded lower lows and higher highs. So this is a swing zone. We have to wait for 90.8 and 91 levels to be breached, and on the downside 89.4 levels. So larger swing zone here, but yes, you can sell here at 89.8, but then be cautious for 89.4. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with little divergence and bullishness. Remember, it can reverse here, it can break past 90.6 again and march towards 91. That is also possible. Stochastic is rising on the 3 hour charts. MACD is also rising bullish. RSI staying flat. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, higher lows, higher highs, waiting to break past 90.6, and then the bulls might try to take over for 91 levels. Be careful here. As long as 91 is not breached, do not treat oil as bullish. Also, what is happening after this stronger rise, after the reversal sign, it is trying to stay bullish. It is trying to create a good flag formation here. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, this is why I say lower highs are almost about to get achieved, and oil might reverse from here completely. Yes, it can reverse strongly on the downside, can march towards 88 levels. Remember, it is still yielding lower lows, lower highs, and it is still staying bearish. It is, as long as it is not breaching 91, we should not treat oil as bullish here. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise. Now look at MACD. This is almost on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish cross, and hence today's candle will decide which direction it wants to take. Possibly it can yield little more bearish candles from here on the MACD. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. Thus, I will recommend a buying entry above 90.6, but then also you must note 90.8, 91 levels. Only and only if crude stays above 91, you can see that it is bullish. Else, as long as 91 is not reached, it can potentially get a pull. At the same time, below 89.8, we can see 89.4 as the first target, and below that 89 and 88 levels can get achieved. Yes, these levels are achievable, and hence take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start with net gas now. Now see gas on the hourly charts, you will find 2.8, 2.181 levels, very good support here, and now it is trying to breach past 2.84. See 2.83, 2.85, 86 levels are great resistance for net gas. It was the support levels which gas took earlier, that is at 2.86. Now 2.86 is going to be a good resistance, and hence let it break beyond 2.86 in order to confirm a rise towards 2.9 levels. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now look at 2-hour charts. Higher lows here, higher highs here. Trying to stay in this channel. As long as 2.8 is respected today, do not sell net gas here. Only selling entry in gas is below 2.8, and now I will recommend you to buy here at 2.84, but then wait for 2.86 levels to be breached in order to confirm the rise towards 2.88, 2.9, 2.92. If and only if gas stays above 2.9 to confirm this as a reversal, and it is going to fly very strongly. Stochastic rising. MACD was on the verge of it is already crossed over. See, this is first wave. Second wave is started. The greener part is started. Possibly we may see greener candles from here. RSI almost comfortable. It has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. Similar observation, nothing different. See, the red candles are sharper, the retracement candles are with a smaller body size, and it is still staying in the zone. So yes, in between 2.8 and 2.84, let's be watchful, cautious, alert. And then major resistance is seen at 2.86, only bullish or more bullish momentum above 2.86, and a reversal confirmation about 2.92 only. As long as 2.92 is respected, do not treat for net gas that is a reverse, and it is going to continue on the upside. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. Possibly it can converge here. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Higher lows, higher highs, and the resistance is also seen, and prices, as you can see, moving average is on the verge of a crossover. Also one must note that it is breached the support levels. Yes, there are very strong support as long as 2.76 is respected. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a buying entry. RSI is also retracing and looking upwards. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at daily charts. What has happened? Higher highs, higher lows. See, it has achieved the bottom of the channel, retraced to the top, again achieved the bottom to the channel, and it can continue on the upside. And hence, that is why I say once it stays beyond 2.92, more bullish momentum is going to prevail in net gas, which is going to take it till towards 2.95 and $3 levels on the upside. So yes, this is what it is, the levels here. The stochastic is looking downwards, staying bearish. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over, and RSI is flat. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy today at 2.86 levels. In fact, you can buy here at 2.84, but then be alert for 2.92. As long as 2.92 is not breached, net gas is not to be treated as bullish here. And on the downside, once it breaks on the downside towards 2.8 levels, below 2.8 more bearishness is going to prevail, but then 2.76 is the maximum support levels, and below 2.76 is where the bears will take over in net gas, and we can look forward to 2.8, 2.7 levels, 2.7, 2.6664 levels as well, which is the next strongest support zone. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the weekly reviews tomorrow. Do watch that review as well. Thank you.